Today we are going to practice reducing the additional schwa sound that sometimes we might make in sentences. And the schwa sound is just the sound basically. And it's called epenthesis. When we do this and we insert an additional schwa sound in front of a word in our sentence, it's called epenthesis. We just sort of add this extra little sound in there. Depending on your first language, you might have more of a tendency to do this than other people. For instance, in Spanish, it's seldom that you will find a word with an SK sound that doesn't have an E in front of it, right? Like we have the word skate, or no, let's use school. We have the word school. So in Spanish, it's like escuela, right? So there's an E in front of it. You don't just say escuela, it's escuela. I hope I have that right. Anyway, so we have to make sure that when we are speaking English, we don't unconsciously put an sound or an S sound in front of the S blend words like school or whatever it is. Okay, and in other languages, sometimes you might put the sound in front of something else, like, what is your name? Or something like that. When do you want to go? When do you want to go there? Something like that. All right, so in these sentences, you're going to have to make sure that you don't put an sound in front of any of the words. So, here's the first one. Give it to the man that is standing by the staircase. And make sure that you repeat these after me. I'm going to try to say them normal speed and normal prosody, so you can imitate my speed and my prosody and see if yours can match, as well as reducing your schwa. Give it to the man that is standing by the staircase. I went to medical school in Sweden. The department head was late, so I started the meeting without him. On Saturdays, I love to sleep in as late as possible. Take a look at the schedule for this week and see if you can meet with those new customers. We need to employ strategies that would make the work from home scheme more effective. Changing your speech requires daily practice. In the fourth quarter, we had our smallest decline yet. The board recognizes that state assessments are an important part of the educational process. We need to start implementing a quality control system. In the Spanish language, it is more common to have a vowel before S blends at the beginning of words. The sudden movement scared the cat, who quickly jumped off the girl, scratching her in the process. The sudden movement scared the cat, who quickly jumped off the girl, scratching her in the process. We plan to go snorkeling on our vacation to Australia. These crackers have a smoky taste to them. The snowplows ran all day to clear the heavy snowfall from the roads. Management rejected my suggestion to put the vending machines in storage. Okay, well, I hope you were able to repeat these sentences without any extra schwas and with the same prosody or similar prosody. And that's all for today. If you like it, please subscribe. Thanks.